I couldn't believe what I was watching.
I remember the first time I walked on the volume, and I was like, wow.
You can literally take actors into a real space whilst not being there.
Well, I tried to describe it to my son, and I just said,
Oh. It's like the biggest TV you'll ever see, and we just act in front of it.
You see the whole landscape in front of you, so you're really looking at the sea.
And it looks real. It really looks real.
Hello everyone, I'm Ling Anjen. What we just saw was behind-the-scenes footage from the television series 1899. As digital technology becomes increasingly integrated into the film and television industry, LED virtual production is gradually emerging as a new mainstream approach to content creation. Today, I'd like to introduce a groundbreaking technology that has the potential to revolutionize the film and television industry: virtual production technology. I'll also provide an in-depth analysis of its development, advantages, and industry applications. Have you ever watched The Mandalorian? If I told you that the scenes in The Mandalorian were neither shot on real sets nor created with traditional post-production visual effects, wouldn't you be curious about how they were filmed? That's right, they were made using virtual production technology. This is a technique that's completely different from traditional VFX. The environments behind the actors come from a massive circular LED screen, which displays virtual 3D scenes built in real time using a game engine. Over the past decade, virtual production technology has been used in a number of high-end films, television series, and video game productions. Virtual filmmaking and 3D pre-visualization are transforming the film and television industry. Traditional green screen technology uses chroma keying to separate actors from the background. While it's common in digital effects, it has clear limitations in immersion, lighting consistency, and post-production costs. In contrast, LED virtual production combines high-brightness LED screens with real-time rendering engines to deliver a "what you see is what you get." It's not just about playing a video or image. If the camera moves and the background doesn't respond correctly, the illusion breaks. Thanks to advances in Unreal Engine and GPU technology, highly realistic 3D scenes can now be rendered in real time. With motion tracking devices capturing camera position, the virtual environment moves accordingly and is projected onto the LED screen, creating realistic depth. This allows visual effects to be achieved directly on set, without green screens or heavy post-production. LED virtual production demonstrates exceptional flexibility and visual expressiveness in practical applications. Currently, brands such as BMW, Coca-Cola, and Gucci have adopted this technology for commercial shoots to reduce on-location costs and enhance content timeliness. Broadcasters like the BBC and CCTV have also integrated LED XR stages into major live broadcasts and variety shows, enabling seamless multi-camera switching and audience interaction. Although the initial cost of LED virtual production is relatively high, it offers significant advantages in overall production efficiency and budget control. According to data from Epic, scene transition efficiency has increased by over 70%, while the need for post-production fixes and reshoots has been reduced by nearly half. Some scenes we imagine like building a palace in real life might take billions of dollars and several years. But in this virtual world, with just one click, it appears instantly. With a wave of your hand, it vanishes into thin air. Want an ocean? You've got an ocean. Everything is at your command. As time goes on, Hardware costs continue to drop while quality keeps improving. What used to require a massive production budget can now be achieved with ease.